Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Donald Trump's new social media firm says it has entered into agreements to raise $1 billion from investors ahead of planned stock market listing. The Trump Media and Technology Group is working to launch a social media app called Truth Social early next year. It comes as Mr. Trump remains banned from Twitter and Facebook following the attack on the US Capitol in January. $1 billion sends an important message to big tech that censorship and political discrimination must end, he said. As our balance sheet expands, Trump Media and Technology Group will be in a stronger position to fight back against the tyranny of big tech. Mr. Trump announced plans to launch Truth Social earlier this year, saying it would allow conversation without discrimination on the basis of political ideology. The Trump Media and Technology Group has partnered on the project with Digital World Acquisition, a so-called special purpose acquisition company or blank check company. Spax, which became a major story in the US stock market at the start of this year, are shell companies that are set up with sole purpose of merging with a private firm to take it public. However, they have lost much of their luster after some of the companies that merged with them failed to deliver on their ambitious financial projections. On Saturday, Mr. Trump's firm said it had secured the $1 billion from a diverse group of institutional investors without revealing who they were. According to reports, the social media venture is now valued at almost $4 billion. It would appear to underscore the former US president's ability to attract strong financial backing despite the controversy surrounding his time in charge. Mr. Trump was banned from top social media platforms after the 6th January attack by his supporters on the US Capitol in Washington, D.C. amid concerns the then president would inspire further violence. It came after Mr. Trump made claims without evidence of widespread fraud in last year's presidential election. Many Wall Street firms snapped the opportunity to invest in the former president's new venture, according to Reuters, but some hedge funds, family investment firms, and high net worth individuals have backed it. Mr. Trump had 89 million followers on Twitter, 33 million on Facebook, and 24.5 million on Instagram at the time he was blocked. According to a presentation on his company's website, he has already repeatedly dropped hints that he might seek the presidency again in 2024. However, there have been questions about the state of the former president's finances. Last month, the Congressional Committee found he had grossly exaggerated the profitability of his Washington, D.C. hotel, claims the Trump organization called misleading. So if you are looking forward towards more entertaining news, don't forget to subscribe and comment. Thanks.